नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आज आपण सुरू करूया. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक आहे कन्स्ट्रक्शन ऑफ ट्रायंगल टू द सर्कल ॲट अ पॉईंट हिअर. एक एक्झाम्पल आपण इथे निवडलेलं आहे. ड्रॉ अ सर्कल ऑफ रेडियस 3 सेंटीमीटर. ड्रॉ अ टँजेंट ॲट एनी पॉईंट ऑन द सर्कल. फॉर दॅट हिअर वी हॅव टू टेक a compass here having a radius 3 centimeter. I take here the compass having radius 3 centimeter. Draw a circle. Consider O is the center of the circle. I take any point here. Suppose this point is equal to M here. So to draw the tangent at point M here, I just join or draw the ray here passing through point M. Perpendicular bisector of the segment AB here. No. Then join point this here to intersect at point here. Draw a line passing through these 2 points here, intersecting point here. This must touches point, this line, suppose this line L touches the circle at point M here, and this is the tangent here. Line L is nothing but tangent here. Line L is tangent to the circle at point M. So in this way we can draw the tangent here to the circle at point M. So next here, the construction of a tangent to the circle at any point without using the center. We don't have to use the center here actually. So for that, what to do here? Suppose we have to draw a tangent at this point here. Suppose this point is nothing but a P point here. So here there is one theorem, that is nothing but alternate segment theorem. Suppose if you consider point A here, then PA is nothing but a chord. If you take a different point here, suppose B, then this AB is a chord. If you join this PB here, so this segment here, suppose this is segment region, this R1 and R2 here. So these are nothing but here the different region, 2 region here, and therefore this is the one of the segment of the circle. This is one of the segment of the circle here. Now these angle are nothing but alternate angle here. Now the tangent at this point P, suppose like this here, at point P, suppose line L here, suppose I take point C like this, intercept this arc, and this angle ABC intercept the same arc here. Therefore these two angles are congruent here. By using this theorem we can draw this here. What to do here? We have to draw a circle having any radius. We have to take any radius. So just I draw here. Radius is not important here, and actually here we don't use the center to draw the tangent here. So I draw the circle first here. We can draw by using a pencil also here, and just here, suppose P is the point here, or P is a point at which we have to draw this. What to do? We have to take any point A here, and suppose another point is B here. You just join this point PA PB and chord AB here. Actually these are the three chords. Now here this angle is congruent to this angle here. Okay. Now what to do here? We have to draw the angle, congruent angle here. So this is, suppose I take an arc here. So now here what to do here? At point P you have to make the same arc like this. You already know that how to draw the congruent angle here, and then you take the congruent here like this. Then at this point here you have to take the congruent point here. So this is the point of intersection. Now once you get the point of intersection here, you draw the line. You draw the line which is passing through this point of intersection and P here. Just draw the line here. If you draw the line, this line indicates here the tangent line. This is the required tangent line here. So this point is nothing but here the C here. And therefore this line is, PC line is nothing but a tangent at this point here. In this case here, this angle and these angles are congruent. Okay. So in this here, without using the center here, we can draw the tangent here. In a previous case, we use a center of the circle. Use the center of the circle. Now next construction is the construction of a tangent to the circle from the point which is outside the circle. Okay, from exterior point. This point is nothing but here exterior point. Okay. Now consider the example here. O be the center of the circle having radius 2.5 centimeter. Take P is a point outside the circle such that length of OP here. So it is the length from center to the point P is equal to 6 centimeter. Draw the tangents to the circle from point P. First of all, draw the circle with radius 2.5. Now take a point P which is away from the center of the circle. So this distance is nothing but here 6 centimeter. Radius they are taken here, that is 2.5 centimeter. Now first of all, we draw the perpendicular bisector of this segment OP. Now draw the perpendicular bisector here. This perpendicular bisector intersects the segment OP at point, suppose M. M is a perpendicular bisector of segment OP here. Then you take M as a center and you take a radius is equal to OP in your compass, and you just cut the arc here of the circle here. Okay, the arc cut is here, 2 points at the circle here. First point is nothing but A, second point is B here, and they just join this point here A and B. Join the point A and B here. AB ला जोडून घ्या here AB. So draw a ray here. Here. So this is ray PA and ray PB are two tangents here drawn from point P to this circle here. So in this way we can draw the tangent to the circle from the point which is outside the circle here. So there are two tangent can be drawn, and we already know that here this PA and PB are called tangent segment here, and the tangent segments drawn from any point which is outside the circle to the circle are congruent. We already solved this. Now practice set 4.2. First example, construct a tangent to the circle with center P and radius is equal to 3.2 at any point M on it. Take a radius is equal to 3.2 centimeter. First draw the circle. Draw the circle having radius 3.2 centimeter. So this is the radius. P be the center of the circle. We just take a point M here. Suppose I take the point M on the circle. Here is a point M. I draw a ray here. Draw a ray which is passing through point M. I just take any distance in my compass here. Just I make a segment here like this. Suppose this segment is nothing but a AB segment. Okay. Then I draw a perpendicular bisector of segment AB here. So you already know that how to draw a perpendicular bisector of any segment. Then draw a line which is passing through here, the two intersecting point here, intersecting arcs here. So you notice that a line passing through this is passing to the point M. It means here this line touches the circle at point M, and therefore this line is nothing but tangent to the circle having center P at point M. So this is your required tangent. So line L is nothing but your required tangent. The next problem is that draw a circle of a radius 3.6 centimeter. Draw a tangent to the circle at any point on it without using the center. This is important one, without using the center. Here we are using the center. इथे center यूज केला आपण, कारण की सेंटर आणि हा पॉईंट या दोघांना मिळून आपण काय काढली, एक रे काढलेला आहे. ठीक आहे, म्हणजे सेंटर यूज केलेला आहे आपण पहिल्यांदा. आता इथे आपल्याला सेंटर यूज करायचं नाही. I take a radius of 3.6 centimeter. I just draw the circle first. Like this. Now we consider the point here. Suppose this is the point here. एका बाजूला तुम्ही याला दाखवून द्या. So this is nothing here, 3.6 centimeter. Now what to do here? You have to consider 2 points. Suppose A point and B point here. असे 2 points select करा. Now and suppose this point is nothing but a C. Just to join the point here A and C. AC and BC. त्याप्रमाणे AB. These are the 3 chord actually. या ठिकाणी काय होते की here these are the 2 region. This is R1 region and R2 region, and this is alternate segment here actually. आणि त्यामुळे हा जो अँगल आहे, this angle must be the angle at a tangent here. ठीक आहे. Now what to do? We draw a congruent angle of angle ABC here. C वर ठेवा आणि हा आर्क तुम्ही या पद्धतीने आर्क काढा आणि त्यानंतर हा जो अँगल आहे हा अँगल तुम्ही कॉन्ग्रुएंट दाखवा. तुम्ही एवढंच अँगल तुम्हाला इथून दाखवायला लागेल. सो दॅट these angles are same. नो या आता इंटरसेक्शन मिळालं तुम्हाला. नाउ यू जस्ट ड्रॉ अ लाईन passing through point of intersection of these arcs and this point C here. This is nothing but a required tangent. Suppose this line is L here. Suppose this point is D here. ACD, this angle ACD is congruent with the angle ABC. First of all, draw a circle with center 3.4 centimeter. I take the radius of 3.4 centimeter. Here. Then I take a 2 point here, M and N. Distance of MN is equal to 5.7 centimeter here. I take a chord here MN, which is of the length here 5.7 centimeter. Now the radius of the circle is nothing but here 3.4 centimeter. Draw the tangent at point M and N here. What to do here? I just draw a ray here which is passing through point M. Draw a ray which is passing through this here. Like this here. Suppose O be the center of the circle. Now what to do? Again the same here. Draw a tangent at this point here. What to do? So take here the segment. Draw the perpendicular bisector of this segment here. तो इकडे जो सेगमेंट आहे हाई सेगमेंट याचा परपेंडिक्युलर बायसेक्टर काढा. This point of intersection. So just draw the line here passing through 2 point of intersection. So here this is the line. Suppose this line is nothing but here L. You draw here the line which is passing through the point of intersection of these two. So this is the another line, small m, suppose another line here. Therefore this line M and this line L is nothing but a tangent to the circle at point M and N. So in this way we can draw the tangent to the chord at point M and. Next problem is draw a circle with a center P and radius is equal to 3.4 centimeter. Take a point Q at a distance of 5.5 centimeter from the center. Construct a tangent to the circle from point Q. Draw the circle having center and radius is equal to 3.4 centimeter. Suppose P be the center of the circle and the radius is nothing but 3.4. centimeter. 3.4 centimeter is the radius. So take a point Q which is outside the circle here. This is the point Q here. Okay. So this much distance PQ is equal to 5.5 centimeter here. Now what to do here? I just draw the perpendicular bisector of the segment PQ first here. Okay. The perpendicular bisector of this must lie inside the circle here, because the distance of the exterior point and the center is less than the twice of radius. Okay. So that's why here in this case here, center of this must lie on the perpendicular bisector of the segment PQ in the interior or inside the circle here. This is the perpendicular bisector I draw here. Now then what to do here? Take P as M as a center here, and radius is equal to MQ here. Just you intersect the arc, cuts at 2 point here like this. आर्क दोन ठिकाणी कट होते. पहिल्या पॉईंटला तुम्ही ए नाव देऊ शकता, ए. दुसऱ्या पॉईंटला तुम्ही बी नाव द्या. ओके. नो जस्ट ड्रॉ अ रे क्यू ए. क्यू ए ड्रॉ करा, as well as QB. Draw a ray QB. So this ray QA and QB are the tangent to the circle at point A and B here. So this distance PQ is nothing but 5.5 centimeter. So in this way we can draw two tangents here. Okay, and this QA and QB are nothing but a tangent segment. They are equidistant. Here draw a circle with a radius 3.4 centimeter